During the ongoing budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly today, Jirang MLA Sosthenes Sohtun from Jirang brought attention to alarming reports in local media regarding Byrnihat being identified as the most polluted urban centre in the country in 2023. Surpassing even the national capital New Delhi, the industrial town situated on the border with Assam has raised concerns about its poor air quality. Referring to information from the Central Pollution Control Board in October 2023, Sohtun emphasized the urgent need for addressing the environmental crisis in Byrnihat. As the local representative, he expressed deep concern for the well-being of the residents, emphasizing the potential health risks posed by the high levels of pollution.
Which is very much concerned as it will affect the health of the people residing out there. So, sir, I would like to request to the government to find ways and means to curb the pollution to the extent where there can be no health hazard to the people residing in the Byrnihat town.
Minister in charge Sports and Youth Affairs Shakyal Wadri